So I'm hanging out with my friend MC Mbakara, and he's one of the biggest skit makers in Nigeria. Now look at this. This is next payout. This is money that he made last month, right? Doing skits on Facebook only. It's just Facebook only. I've not added YouTube. I've not added all those other platforms, right? And I'm going to be bringing him on this platform on my YouTube channel to discuss exactly how he does this. $71,000 in a month, guys. They are raising them now. How much is that in naira? Somebody should just let me know in the comment section. How much is this in naira, man? How about your balling? You're killing it, man. Hey guys, $100,000 every month is actually possible by posting just simple videos online. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how to do that. And I'm not doing it alone. I actually have somebody in the house who has actually done exactly what I'm showing you guys in today's video, sitting right here. And we have MC Mbakara in the house. Bro, you're welcome.
Hi guys, how you doing? How's everyone? How's your bank account?
And this brother of mine right here is a content creator just like myself, but his niche is different. He makes he started as a stand-up comedian, and he makes videos which are skits that he posts on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And this brother of mine right here makes at least $100,000 every month by doing exactly what I just told you guys about. So in today's video, he's going to be explaining to us exactly how he is able to achieve this feat, right? Because the whole idea is for us all to win together. That's what I do on this channel, right? I see something that works, I bring it right here for you guys, so you guys can take advantage of this information and we all win together, guys. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald. I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done, hoping that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. But today is different. MC Mbakara is going to be telling us exactly what he has done to make $100,000 online, and I'm hoping that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result, guys. So bro, how were you able to make $100,000 every month on the internet?
Okay, so they don't just think that I started making $100,000 the day I started. No, it's a process, and I grew into making this amount, which to me, so they don't feel like it's just as I started making $100,000. No, it is a process. There was a time I was making $100. There was a time I was making $150 until it grew up to what we have now. So yes, first of all, it is very easy, it is real, and it's possible. Every content creator has same opportunity. So my basic channels of generating income on revenue online is Facebook and YouTube, and then Instagram. So but Facebook and YouTube gives me both online and offline, while Instagram gives me basically offline.
Okay.
Yeah, and so before we go maybe more deeper into the questions, basically Facebook and YouTube have monetization tools where adverts are placed on your videos. So the more views you get, the more money you get paid. So basically that's how I make money via Facebook and YouTube. And then apart from advert placement, and then for Instagram, basically it's just advert placement and influencing.
Okay, so there's something that the question I get asked all the time. People ask me and they say, Gerald, I'm having issues monetizing Facebook, or how do people actually make money on Facebook? How people make money on YouTube? Now, for those of most of my subscribers listening right now, a lot of time, which is where I have a lot of followership on. Now, people are confused about what's the monetization threshold for Facebook right now.
For you to get monetized on Facebook, in our days was a bit much easier.
Okay.
It was 10,000 followers and 30,000 watch hour.
Okay.
But right now it is 10,000 followers still, but 600,000 watch hour.
Oh, 600,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the difference between now and then was 1 minute. It's 1 minute of a 3 minutes video.
Okay.
So meaning 1 minute, 3 minutes video, 1 minute of it to 30,000.
Okay.
But now the new criteria is 600,000 watch hours. So whether it's a 30 seconds video, whether it's as long as accumulatively, you can get 600,000 watch hour from your videos.
Okay.
Then you are ready for monetization.
Monetization. Is there a time frame? You know, on YouTube, it has to be between 365 days.
60 days.
Okay, 60 days. You have to get 200,000 watch hours in 60 days.
Yeah, but you know, Facebook is quite much easier than YouTube because of the share tools.
Okay.
So you can share, some other person can share. So someone can just like the video and share it into a platform and it goes viral. So it's not even that difficult. 600,000 views. If you have a video that goes viral that has up to 500,000 views or 1 million views, then
wow.
So one video alone can just settle your family problem.
You know, when I started on YouTube, there was this challenge I had, actually getting monetized, right? Because right now people try to cut corners, but I didn't want to cut corners. I wanted to do it the right way. So one of the challenges I had was actually getting the 4,000 watch hours in 365 days. Now somebody now came to me and he said, Gerald, if you make a 1 hour video, 4,000 persons sees that video for completely. That's your 4,000 watch hours. And it just clicked in my head. And what did I do? I started making very long videos, 1 hour video, 1 hour, 30 minutes video. And that was how I was able to get monetized fast. So is there a trick around Facebook to actually get to that point faster?
Not really, because Facebook is not like YouTube.
Okay.
YouTube is an advanced VOD. So VOD is view on demand.
Okay.
So YouTube is not an interactive platform. Everybody who goes to YouTube is coming to watch videos.
Okay.
But Facebook is an interactive platform. So apart from watching your video, I also have my pictures to post.
Okay.
I have people to also reply. So, and then I have other people I want to see.
Okay.
So if you put a video too long, people might not get interested. They might. So, but if it's quite long, it's still a plus. I mean, if it's long and interesting, it's still a plus. But however, Facebook shorter videos works. At least 3 minutes, 5 minutes is fine.
Oh, beautiful. So, from your experience personally on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, where have you made the most money?
Facebook.
On Facebook. Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, like I said, Facebook is quite much easier than your videos. Have possibilities of going more viral on Facebook than YouTube, in the sense that Facebook has a share tool. So I watch a video and I like it, I can just share it to my page. And so if I share it to a page that has over 1 million followers, then potential of over 500,000 people seeing it. Wow. But on YouTube, you can't share like that. You might just need to copy the link, probably paste on your WhatsApp story or share. So you only go viral on YouTube when YouTube feels like your video is interesting and they promote it for you, by recommendation and explore.
Wow. Okay, so guys, you have heard from MC Mbakara. It's actually possible to make money on Facebook and YouTube and all the other platforms. And MC actually made over $100,000 on Facebook in a single month, right? And what we have decided to do is what I always tell you guys, because I actually care about you. Right? That's what makes my channel completely different, because I want you to win. So what we are doing is that I have talked to MC and he has agreed to do a training, right, that would show you guys exactly what he's doing to make all this money, so that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. Right? So what you need to do right now is to click on the first link box below. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to the landing page where you're going to sign up for that training. Right? It's going to be a full day training where MC is going to be guiding you through the whole process, like a step-by-step process on how to actually make money on Facebook and on YouTube and on Instagram as a skit maker, just making your skit and posting those videos on Facebook, right? The whole process to monetization. And he'll also be offering you guys a chance to feature in his skit. Right now, mind you guys, this is a big skit maker in Nigeria. To feature him in your skit, you're going to pay a lot of money to do that. But for you being part of this training, he's giving you that opportunity. Just 5 persons, right? He's going to be part of, he's going to be featuring you guys. And there's a chance for you to also feature him in your own
got a
skit.
Good story.
Right? He'll help you with the story, the directing, and everything. And you shoot with your phone, right?
Yeah, basically.
So they just need their phones only. They don't need to buy a camera or that.
No, you just come with a good quality phone and you're good. You have to get quality pictures, most importantly.
Beautiful.
So a phone with a high resolution, any phone at all, but that which will give us good quality.
Okay.
I'm all yours.
So guys, to get more information about the training, what you need to do, like I've already said, is to click on the first link box below. And once you click on that link, it's going to take you to the page where you're going to sign up for this training and be part of this training, guys. Until I see my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.
Jared loves you guys. I love you too.